A client is applying for permanent residence under the family class, spousal sponsorship. The client is inadmissible and we are also submitting an application for criminal rehabilitation. The client is in Canada and has a TRP valid for 2 years. Can we submit both applications, criminal rehabilitation and permanent residency application, via the representative's permanent residence online portal? Or should the applications be submitted separately? The PDI, application for rehabilitation for persons who are inadmissible to Canada because of past criminality activity, indicates that applications for rehabilitation must be mailed with a hyperlink to follow, which leads the user to a PDI titled Inadmissibility, where to submit your application. This document states you can submit your application for an ARC or criminal rehabilitation at the same time as your permanent residence application. The PDI, rehabilitation for persons who are inadmissible to Canada because of past criminal activity, under the heading Submitting Your Application, states, mail your application to the Canada Immigration Center responsible for your area, with a link to follow to find the appropriate office. It appears as though the permanent resident application and rehabilitation application can be sent simultaneously. However, the former can be sent via the portal while the latter must be mailed. Additional PDIs state that the two applications should be processed by the same office. There you go, everyone. I hope that helps for anybody there who are inadmissible and also who's about to apply for permanent residency. There's an option where you can send them both and simultaneous, but remember, you have to mail the rehabilitation and use the portal for the application for permanent residency under the spousal sponsorship. Good luck, everyone.